What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how can you promote WarriorPlus products as a beginner, and you can make 100 per day by promoting WarriorPlus products. It's a proven and real method for making money from affiliate marketing. So guys, before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I am working here for 8 years. And you see here, and end of this video I will show you how can I make $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now check into my computer and let's see step by step everything what I am doing for promoting WarriorPlus products for free. If you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter, you can apply this method very easily. So follow all these 3 steps and I will show you how to make WarriorPlus money for free. So guys, and check my video description and you see my Facebook page here, and you can get a lot of info inside my Facebook page. And if you want to communicate with me, then send message here, and you will get 12 income increasing bonuses that will help you to make more money from online, and grab this 12 bonus for free. Now I will start all these 3 steps step by step, and it will help you to make big money from WarriorPlus, and it will be free. So step number 1, create a WarriorPlus account. If you want to promote WarriorPlus products, then you have to create WarriorPlus account first. Go WarriorPlus.com and sign up free here. Your username, password, email address, and verify if you are a robot or man, and create your account. So it's so simple, it's the easiest step of this method. So you have to create a WarriorPlus account first. If you have a WarriorPlus account, then it's fine, and if you don't have a WarriorPlus account, then create a WarriorPlus account. Number 2, find out best products. So after creating your account, you see your WarriorPlus account dashboard, and for promoting affiliate products, go this section affiliate and go this offers. Okay, you see a lot of products inside this affiliate offer. Now here is on tricks. For this method, I recommend you to choose the older product, most sellable product. So you have to choose those products whose make lot of sales, over 2000, over 3000, over 4000, over 5000, minimum over 1000. So you have to choose those products whose make big sales. So check here, this product makes 300 sales, 300 sales, 300 sales, 300 sales, 200, 5, 5, 3, 2, on. So you can check this product or check this product or check this product. You can choose any of these. So if I want to promote this, then so you have to send a request for affiliate approval. So go here, request approval, and hey, I am Raju. I am an affiliate of WarriorPlus, and I want to promote your offer. I have organic traffic for promoting your offers. Now get me approval for promoting your offer. That's it. Thank you. Then request offer. Request offer. That's it. So after getting your request, after getting your approval, your promotion will be started. So step number 2 has been completed. So if you apply this method, then your first step have to open a WarriorPlus account, then find out the best products for promotion. And step number 3, odds for traffic. Now I want to say it's not a overnight success method. If you want overnight success, then this is not for you. It's not a software, or it's not a scam task that can assure you getting results within 24 hours, getting results within 10 minutes. No software, no method, no tricks can make this type of results. If you have traffic sources, then you can get results by any time. But if you have don't traffic, if you don't have any traffic, then you can't make a single dollar from online. So no software, no scammy method, no scammy task can help you to make money from online. So you have to opt for traffic. Now in this traffic method, I will show you a video method, and don't be afraid to uh, see this video method. I will show you a step by step everything that makes easy to apply. So for this, you have to first download a video recording software. Go here, OBS Studio. So download this OBS Studio software. It's free. You don't need to buy it, or you don't need to pay any monthly charges here. It's totally free. If you are a Windows user, then download it. If you are a Mac user, then download it, and if you are a Linux user, then download it. So download this software and install this software to your computer. Now if you want to promote this offer, then after getting your approval, go here, view sales page. It's the sales page of this click and bank product, this product, sales page. Now you have to make a videos according to this sales space. Don't be afraid. OBS software will help you to record your videos. You don't need to show your face, and if you don't want to use your voices, then after recording your videos you can use any YouTube audios for your videos, but I will recommend you to use your own voice. Then it will help you to make more reliable, more realistic. Then you will make sales from your videos. So you have to open the sales space first. After that you can open the software OBS Studio for recording your videos. After open your OBS software, then go the sales page, and you don't need to uh, say any outside things, any outside talking. Just read the sales page. Your video is a recording, okay? And you can say, hey guys, bank 100% easy click bank commission 24/7. You don't need to do any boring manual works. Then you can say, new web-based software creates fully automated 100% done for you clickbank affiliate sites that rank themselves on Google. Then you can slide in below. It's a done for you site creation. Just on click create on entire affiliate clickbank affiliate site from scratch, done for you search traffic, rank higher and higher on Google automatically every day, done for you 100% original content, creates and posted your sites in every day. So you will get a lot of info inside this sales page. Then you say unlimited the unlimited done for you software works in 3 steps. Step number one, choose a niche. Step number 2, enter your clickbank account. Step number 3, click the button to create my sites. Then you will see a lot of info inside your sales page. So make a video duration will be under 10 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes. So make a video 6 to 10 minutes. So that's it, and I recommend you to make 3, 4, 5 videos per day. It's not a one-night success, but if you can continue this task for 2 or 3 months, then I assure you will get results and make WarriorPlus profit, WarriorPlus commission for free ways. And if you can grow your YouTube channel once, then you will get your WarriorPlus sales for lifetime. So it's not a overnight program in overnight method, but if you can grow it once, then you will get results for lifetime. So I think you have to choose this method and start your work from today. That's it, guys. So I remind all this thing again. Step number 1, create a WarriorPlus account. Step number 2, find out best products. And step number 3, you have to choose your product, then open the products sales page, then open OBS software for your video recording, then just read all the sales page A to Z within 6 to 10 minutes, and your video duration will be 6 to 10 minutes. That will be fine for the viewers, and you will get results. So guys, that's it. If this video helped you, then like this video, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share these videos with the other peoples. And if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you will get a lot of info about make money online inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make more money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. And you see here it's Legendary Marketer. I am a member of Legendary Marketer and I am an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an educational online marketing platform. It will help you to learn from where you should start your online journey and from how you can long run your online journey for lifetime. Legendary Marketer helps me a lot to make these big sales from affiliate marketing. It's my Legendary Marketer commission, and I also promote JBG products, WarriorPlus products, ClickBank products, another high ticket program, Inter Institutes. So everything I manage by the power of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer helped me a lot to make money from affiliate marketing. So after joining this Legendary Marketer, you will get this 15 days challenge, and you have to complete this 15 days. You will be a coach or an advisor will be appointed for you to solve your problems, and you have to finish complete all these 15 days, and you will get a lot of tricks and statistics about various marketing. So guys, if you want to make big money from online, then join Legendary Marketer. That's it guys. If you can promote this, if you want to promote WarriorPlus products as a beginner, then follow my step-by-step methods, and I assure you, if you can continue this method 2 or 3 months, then you will get results. I assure you, it's 100% workable. So guys, take action, best of luck, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I am providing you a lot of info about make money online. So guys, best of luck, take action.